To start off with, I went into the Diamond FX metallic pink and I sponged that onto my forehead. I did mean to do this a lot lighter than it was, it's gone a bit dark. And then while it was still wet, I just puffed on some glitter. Using a white face paint, I painted on the base of a candy cane shape. So I just looked at a picture of a candy cane to get the shape right. And then I wanted to add a pink bow to it and a bit of holly. So using a pale pink face paint, I painted on the bow. And then I went into a red face paint. I painted 3 red holly berries. And then I started to paint on the red stripes of the candy cane as well. Using a green face paint, I painted on these little green holly leaves. I then went back into the white paint and I just added some white highlights along one edge of the candy cane, which makes it look 3D, and I added it to the holly berries as well. Using a really fine paintbrush and a black paint, I then went in and outlined the whole design. I then decided to add 2 just really simple candy canes to each side of the bigger one. So I just painted the white base shape on, and then I added stripes in red and the black outline as well. I added clusters of white dots all around the design, and then I added slightly larger individual ones that I wanted to look like snow, and some of them I turned into starbursts. Okay guys, this is the finished design, but I did just want to add some of my own iridescent glitter mix at the end, which I applied with some aloe vera gel. And this is the finished look. If I was to redo this, like I said earlier, I would have sponged the base on much lighter so that the candy cane stood out more. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Goodbye.